Good day, class. I'm back again. So today we are going to consider Venn diagram. Now, what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a diagrammatic way of representing set, and a set is a collection of well-defined objects or elements. Now, you have set A, set B, set C, and a universal set. The universal set is from 0 to 10. Set A is 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, set B, set C. Now, how can you represent this in a Venn diagram? To do that, you know that the universal set is being represented with a rectangular shape, a big rectangle. You can use any of these letters. You can use any one. A universal set. So this is a universal set. So now the individual set, set A, B, and C, will be represented with small circles. This should be set A, set B, set C. Make sure you draw the circles in such a way that they will intersect. So now at this point, this is a point of intersection. The elements that you can see in A, B, and C will be indicated here. The intersection of the three sets. Now, what element can you see in set A, set B, and set C? Let's look at it very well. You have 1 here, no 1 here. You have 3 here, no 3 here. 5 here, no 5 here. 7 here, no 7 here. 9 here, no 9 here. So there is no single element that is in between set A, B, and C. So you leave this point here will be empty. So now for A and B, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We don't have any intersection between A and B. There is no element that is found in set A and set B. No intersection. But we have intersection between set A and set C. A, C, they have 3 in common. So set A and C, they have 3 in common. You write the 3 here. 5 and 5 still common between set A and C. You still write 5 here. 7 and 7 is still common. You still write 7 here. So this is a point of intersection between set A and C. The point of intersection is there. So now for 9, 9 is only in A, 9 is not in B, 9 is not in C. So this 9 is only for set A. So you write it here. So now we are done with set A. Sorry, we're not done with set A. We still have 1 here. This 1, it is only in set A. 1 is not here. 1 is not here. It is only in set A. Now we are done with the element of set A. Set A does not correspond or does not intersect with set B. It only intersects with set C. So another aspect of it is for set B. Now, is there any intersection between set B and A? There is no element that you can see in set B and in set A. There is no single element here. But for B and C, you still discover that you have 2 in B, 2 in C. So B and C, they have 2 in common. B and C also does not have any other element in common apart from 2 in B and 2 in C. Then you list the element in B. The element in B alone, 0 is only in B. 4 is only in B. 6 is only in B. 8 is only in B. 10 is only in B. So now for C we have 3 is in C already, 5 is in C already, 7 is in C already, 2 is in C already. So there is no single element that you can see in C only without seeing it in any of the other 2 sets. So now this Venn diagram, now there is another aspect of it. Is there any element in the universal set that is not included in set A, B, and C? If there is any element that is not included in A, B, and C, you write it here. Here are the elements that are not found in A, B, and C, but they are in the universal set. We don't have such element. So the universal set, what we call the complement, will be empty. So now, with a Venn diagram, you can clearly indicate the set element or the set members without confusion. You discover that if the question asks you, what are the members of set A only? Set A only is 9 and 1. Set B only is 0, 4, 8, 6, and 10. You can only find this element in B only. There is no single element that is only found in C. So if the question asks you, what is the intersection of A and C? Intersection of A and C implies that the elements that you can see in A and in C, which include 3, 5, and 7. The elements that you can see in A and B alone, A and B don't have any element in common. A and B, no element in common. That is why this one here is empty. B and C have 2 in common. B and C. It is only 2 that you can see in B and still see in C. That is why we have the 2 here. There is no single element that you can only see in C alone. That is why the C is empty. So this is how to clearly indicate or present a data using a Venn diagram for easy understanding. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment.